Welcome back to the channel. Today we will look at the NIDS card. Get ready to ditch your wallet full of IDs. The NIDS card is revolutionizing the way we verify our identities, making it faster, more secure, and incredibly convenient. No more rummaging for passports, driver's licenses, or voter's ID. With the NIDS card, you can open bank accounts, conduct business, and navigate everyday tasks with ease. Jamaica, get ready to become one of the most efficient countries in the world. If you love this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's listen attentively to Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he talks about the NIDS card.
National ID. We have several identification documents. We have passports, we have our electoral ID, we have our driver's license. None of them have the level of security that this card gives. But this card also gives an additional benefit. It allows for the conduct of digital transactions in a seamless way because it allows for digital electronic verification of the card. And that places us now in another step, which we call the digital society. So the NIDS provides the basis on which we can now claim to be a digital society. The digital society is one in which we are able to conduct transactions physically in person or virtually. And in fact, as all Jamaicans will see, most transactions are moving onto digital platforms. We conduct our transactions using digital platforms every day. Whether it is we shop online, we pay taxes online, but with your digital ID, you will be able to do much more. The second important benefit of the card is the reduction of time it takes to conduct a transaction. Consider that you want to open a bank account and you're new to the bank. The bank has all kinds of regulations that makes it mandatory that they know their customer. And that know your customer requirement sometimes can be very involved. You are required to take in 2 or more forms of identification. You may have to have a justice of the peace verify your identification. And then when that is brought in, they may take a few more days to actually check to see that this is so. With the national ID, there is no need for that anymore. The verification of identification is almost instantaneous. And therefore, the law that supports the ID says that if you present your ID, no other form of identification is required. Let me repeat that. When you present your NIDS card, your national identification card, no other form of identification is required. Because this card has the ability to verify your identity on the spot. Now, that will just reduce not just the time, but the cost of identity verification. And that then puts Jamaica in another threshold of the digital society. So I'm very pleased today. And I'm going to be speaking more, obviously, about the card, promoting the card. And I'm very happy to see that our youngsters have been some of the first beneficiaries because the card is also built, the entire system is built to accommodate our youngsters as well as adults. It is meant to give every Jamaican verifiable and secured identity documents.
Thank you for watching today's video. If this kind of content resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more political content.